Let's practice subtracting complex numbers. I'll take us through a couple examples, and this will be the first one. When you're subtracting complex numbers, we're going to treat the I a lot like you would an X. The only thing that you're going to really need to worry about is if you ever have an exponent on your I. Then we need to go through and simplify it a little bit more. But as long as you have no powers on your I, we'll pretty much just treat it the same, and it'll work the same as operations with a variable would. So before I can subtract, I do need to multiply. Here I've got 5 times 2i, so that's just going to become 10 i's, minus 8i, and then I subtract. I have 10 i's, I'm taking away 8 of them, so we're just going to have 2 i's left. And that's it. Let's do another one. Here we have a little bit more going on. When you have parentheses, you want to check and make sure that there's nothing outside that you need to distribute and no exponents kind of locking things together. Well, this first one, there's nothing outside and there's no exponent that I need to worry about. But the second one does have this negative out front. If you're adding, if that's a plus sign, we really don't need to worry. But this subtraction says that you're subtracting everything in the parentheses. So I'm going to think of it as a -1 and distribute. That first parentheses, again, nothing changes, so I don't need those parentheses. But the second one, I multiply by -1 to get -5 and positive I. And then I just go combine my like terms. I start with the real components, and that's the part that has no I. So 4 and -5 give me -1. Then my imaginary components, 2i plus this is 1i, gives me positive 3i. So my new expression is -1 plus 3i. And that's a little on subtracting complex numbers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.